Use of loops blocks. All the programs or projects developed till now run only once. If you want to run a set of statements more than once, you will either run the code again or write the script again. In Scratch, we can save our time and effort by repeating the code without writing the program again or writing the script again. The automatic running of a set of instructions more than once is called looping. The blocks for looping are given in the control category. The repeat block is used to run a set of instructions for a specified number of times. The repeat until block is used to run a set of instructions till a condition is satisfied. The forever block is used to run a set of instructions continuously until stopped. The instructions inside this block will be executed in a loop until the stop button is clicked by the user. The repeat and repeat until blocks can be used to display the table of a number input by the user. The script for the sprite can be like this using the repeat until block. Following is the script for displaying table of a number. The output of the program will be similar to this. You can also use the forever and repeat blocks with if, then block.
Let us make a small script. Change the sprite to butterfly and change the backdrop to flowers. Drag the event block when green flag clicked to the script area. Drag the control block forever to the script area and put it to the green flag block. Drag the move block and put it inside the forever block. Now drag the if on edge bounce block and put it inside the forever block. Now put the control block if, then inside the forever block and snap the sensing block, touching color in the hexagon of the if loop. Now follow the given script. The butterfly changes color and size when it touches the colors selected in the touch block. Similarly, you can create scripts with two sprites and they change color when they touch each other.